Happiness fosters happiness. Like if I'm happy, generally it's gonna rub off on them. Hey Trent, how you doing?
Good morning.
Oh, good.
Where are we off to?
We're going to our meeting. It's training day with Brett. We're gonna learn our service system. Now this is embarrassing. I was gonna get ready for you yesterday, but I wanted to spend more time with my family. Hey, how's it going, Freckle? Happy. Woo. Okay, checking on my first call. It's after 7:30, so we want to make sure, find out where we're going. Should be getting there at about 8:55 or so. So hopefully 5 minutes before 9 o'clock, so we're there early. Happiness fosters happiness. Like if I'm happy, generally it's gonna rub off on them. What do I do to get ready for a call? I'll stop just before I get there. I'll stop and make sure I have all my paperwork, and I will again check the call, see if there's any pertinent information, like are they a maintenance plan member, have we done repairs there before. Got those guys. I'm gonna make sure I have my shoe bees to keep the floors clean. Grab my tools real quick and my rug so we can wipe our feet and keep it clean in the house. Ready to go. I'll let you get to doing what you need to do, and I'll start my work in here.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Fancy. It might be a little dirty. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. I'll ask him about that filter. Just to do a little prevention that's super easy. Doesn't take much to help a lot. Here. Happy day. And show the customer and see what they think. If they want us to clean it, we'll clean it. See some shadows that look a little suspicious. Okie dokie. This makes me glad I was a wrestler once. Oh. They actually look pretty healthy. You may ask yourself, has he done this before? Maybe a few times. It's like, Ohana means family. It means no screws left behind. Something like that. Always point towards the middle of the furnace. Okay. Throw one of these on there. Beauty. So on this guy, how it has the airflow arrow, I don't know if you do it this way, but I always like to talk about it. You always spray it through in contrary, against that arrow, and that pushes stuff loose. You see all this dust coming loose? Yeah, it was pretty dirty. That'll need to dry off for a while. There we go. That was a little loose there. So I wouldn't touch this because you might get a shock of electricity. I
need a shock.
Do you?
Yeah.
You need a new hairdo? Do you rinse the outside of this off at all? Good. You should do it once a month during the summertime. Looking for this top number. 15 is not bad. I can deal with 15. Okie doke. Putting away the stuff. Time to write up some options. I like to clean up before seeing my next patient. And that way I leave less smudges on the paperwork too. I'm very happy to do any one of these repairs too, and make sure we can help out things as much as we can. What would you like me to do? That's a really good option, I think. We did the $99 tune-up today, and we took $70 off. So I'll go ahead and go to where I need a signature. Would you say you've had a pretty good experience with us today? Great. It was very nice being in your home. I'm good to go then. Thank you for letting me be in your home today. We like to make sure we do take care of the customer. And I'm pretty happy I get to go take care of somebody else who's not cool right now. They're in a hot situation and they need some AC, so I'm excited to go take care of them.